In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MySQL database in Hostinger. This is a straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website or need a database for another project, follow these steps for a smooth setup. First, head over to Hostinger's official website. You'll need to log in, so if you haven't already created an account, now's the time. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button. It should be prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials. Remember to use a strong, unique password. It's always a good practice to keep your account secure. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, find the hosting section. This is where you can manage all the elements related to your websites hosted with Hostinger. Click on the hosting tab and it will display a list of your domains and hosting plans. Now locate the specific hosting plan where you want to create your MySQL database. Beside it, you'll see a manage button. Click on it to access a more detailed management area for that particular plan. This is where the magic happens. In the manage section, look for the databases option on the left hand menu and click it. You'll be directed to the databases page, which lists all your existing databases. If it's your first time here, it might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. To proceed, find the remote MySQL option. This might be a new term if you're unfamiliar with database management, but essentially this is where you manage access to your databases from remote servers. Click on remote MySQL. At the top of the page, you'll see an option to create new database. Click on this button to start the process of setting up your new database. A form will appear asking for some details about the database you want to create. You'll need to specify a name for your database and a username. It's a good idea to choose a name that clearly identifies the database's purpose, especially if you plan to manage multiple databases. After filling in the required fields, click on the button labelled Create a new MySQL database and database user. Hostinger will take care of the rest, setting up your database and user with default settings that suit most needs. And that's it, you've successfully created a MySQL database in Hostinger. Make sure to note down your database name and credentials somewhere safe, as you'll need them when configuring applications or connecting remotely. Thanks for tuning in and happy databasing.